In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear RAM cache in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So I'm using Windows 11 right now, and I'm going to show you my cache right now. So I'm going to open the Task Manager, and here I'm going to head over to Performance. And once you are going to head over to Memory here, you should be able to see that I have 14.1 gigabytes of cached RAM, and that's really huge considering that I have 32 gigabytes of RAM. Now we are going to go ahead and clear that one. And to do that, what you're going to do is head over to any browser of your choice. For example, I'm going to head over to Google Chrome. And once I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and type here RAM map, just like so. And then we should be seeing something like this. So just go ahead and click this one here. And then we are going to download it. So just go ahead and save it wherever you want. I'm just going to open it because I have already saved this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and run this one right here. So I'm just going to open it. And then from here, I'm also going to go ahead and show you the Task Manager. I'm going to go ahead and put it beside just for us to be able to see this one, you know. So here is it again. This is again 14 gigabytes. Oh, now almost 15. So let's go back here to our RAM map. And then what we are going to do is click empty and then empty standby list. Now you should be able to see this one decrease just like so. And that is a huge decrease already. So basically that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. So congratulations. I hope this video helps you out.